High Court directs police inspectors to file reply on videos reported in Anjuna and Perne. People for Animals moves court against rampant bullfights, blames police for inaction. Sagar Kavach, the two-day security checking drill begins. Police, Navy, Army, Coast Guard, Fire Services on the toes, all on alert. FC Goa's Dream Round inspires Goans to camp at Fatorda and Dhule stadiums for prize tickets of ISL semi-finals. Fans spend sleepless nights for FC Goa Delhi semis tickets. All Goa Truck Owners Association still firm on 17 rupees per ton per kilometre rate for transportation of iron ore. Says no talks unless Seza Vedanta assures fulfillment of demand. Both parties to meet today afternoon. Mines Deputy Collector GC Zerame and Captain of Ports Inspector dredging at Terrakhol Beach after NGT wraps the authorities to submit report to tribunal. Hearing on 21st December. And its prudent impact. Captain of Ports and Mines officials confiscate canoes at Kiranpani involved in massive illegal sand extraction. The High Court has directed PI Anjuna and PI Perne to file affidavits regarding investigation status of the cases related with recently organized bullfights in their areas. A bullfight was recently held in Anjuna. Anjuna police informed the High Court that FIR has been registered against unknown accused and the investigation is on.
During the hearing before the High Court on Thursday, petitioners Peoples for Animals contended that bullfight is rampant in the state and police is not taking any action to stop it. The petitioner further contended that bullfights is not only cruelty against animals, but it is also posing problems for general public. The petitioner also informed the court that after the fight, one injured animal ran towards a nearby petrol pump and created chaos. Anjuna police informed the High Court that they were not aware about bullfights in advance. As this news was published, they registered FIR against unknown accused and has started the investigation. The High Court directed PI Anjuna to procure CCTV footage of the petrol pump and record statement of petrol pump manager. The High Court directed PI Anjuna to file status of the investigation on affidavit on Tuesday. The court also directed PI Pedne to file status of the investigation of the bullfight case organized in Chief Minister's constituency. Prudent had exposed the bullfights held in Chief Minister's constituency during the Chavath festival. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Sagar Kavach, the annual two-day security checking drill has begun. The exercise is aimed at reviewing and enhancing the preparedness of the security personnel as well as to create public awareness in dealing with the threat to public security. The exercise involves Red Force, which plants objects posing threat to public security, and Blue Force defends locations through quick response. Police, Navy, Army, Coast Guard, Fire and Emergency Services take part in the security drill. The drill will go on till Friday, 11 December.
The coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach commenced on Thursday morning. Coastal security agencies are also the participant in the drill. Sagar Kavach is staged to assess the present progress of coastal security mechanism. It began from 6 am onwards and will continue till Friday, December 11th. As a part of exercise, the militants may attack beaches, coastal hotels, hospitals, bus stands, industrial establishment and other public places and take people or tourists as hostage. The citizens are requested to be vigilant and to check suspicious movement of people. In case any suspicious movement activities is detected, then it should be reported to the control room. Bureau Report, Prudent.
All Goa truck owners will meet Seza Vedanta officials and MLA Pramod Sawant at Bicholi today afternoon. Truck owners are still firm on their demand of rate for transportation of extracted iron ore. Meanwhile, the fate of renewed mining leases is undecided as Goa mining matter remained unheard in the Apex Court on Wednesday. The matter was delisted from the board. Goa Foundation has refuted the government's charges that its action and intent is damaging the state development and economy. It claims of raising the funds through donations.
लक्षात दिलो आमकां की कंपनी तुमच्या वांगडा उलोवपाक तयार आसा 8 वयर जाल्यार आमी उलोवपाक वयतले आनी जर 8 वयर ते नात म्हणटा तेंची हुकुमशाही आसा जाल्यार हुकुमशाही आमकां नश्ट करपाची आसा सेजागोवाची भले मायनिंग बंद जाल्यार जाता आमकां तेजी पर्वा ना पूण आमकां आनी भिकारी जावन ह्यो मायनी नाका आनी ही जी गोंयची लूट सरकार आनी कंपनी एक जावन फितूर जावन गोंयची लूट चल्ल्या ती कायदेशीर मायनिंग जाल्यार सगळं आमी मायनिंग चालू करूंक दिवपाचें हांगा जमले आज सगळेचो आमदार डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांगा येयलो आनी आज तेणी परत आमकां सांगलें की आज मिटींग आपयता तेन्ना आमी प्रमोद सावंताक अशें सांगलें की जर मिटींग घेता जाल्यार जो 8 रुपया दर आहा तो वाडयता कंपनी जाल्यार आमी येता सेकंड थिंग तुमचे डॉलर देंवल्ले आसा जेन्ना डॉलर वाडटले तसो तसो आमचो रेटाचो पर्संटेज जर वाडयता जाल्यार ती नक्की करूया आनी प्रत्येक फावट ते कंपनीच्या अगेन्स्ट काम करता कुयेलो दुसरो अब्दुल्ला सीताराम वालावलकर केरकर असले नालायक मनीस आमकां नाका जाल्यार बरें आसा आनी जर ना जालें सक्सेस जाल्यार शेनवारा नॉर्थ गोवाक आमची रॅली काडपाची आमी ठरयल्ली आसा.
FC Goa fans have reciprocated the inspiration with which the Gors have played in the ISL2 by waiting the entire night outside Fatorda and Dhule stadiums to buy semi-final tickets. The second leg of the FC Goa Delhi Dynamo semi-finals will be played at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda on Tuesday. FC Goa fans are expecting the Gors to make it to the finals and want to witness the moment of triumph at the stadium. Having already bought the final tickets, FC Goa fans have now laid their hands on the prized semi-final tickets.
टिकेट काउंट भरपूर आशिल्लो टिकेट तांच्यानी लेट स्टार्ट केलें इकरा आयिल्ले राती कडेन भुरगे बी सगळे आसले चडकोन सगळे मॅचून गेला हय सगळे मॅचीस चयले सीझन पास काडलो सीझन फायनलीचो काडलो हय फायनलीचो काडलो
8:30 राती 8:30 पावलो आमी आनी मागीर थोडे भुरगे येयले आनी खूब हांगा गर्दी जाली 1600 रायट
एक्चुअली आमी आयज राती 9:30 राती येयल्ले सो तेन्ना हांगा येवं जाल्यार किओस हांगा कोण येता कितें येता काय कळना सो आमी आमचें ओन डिसिजन घेतलें की आमी एक बूक हाडया आनी नांवां बरोवया कोण कशें कितें येतात सो आमी तेन्ना नांवां घेवंक स्टार्ट केली सो ऑलमोस्ट 1:32 जाल्ली ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका दिसता 11:30-12 सुमार सो सेकंड लिस्ट फाटल्यान आहा आनी एज पर द आमचें इन्फॉर्मेशन आतां ऑलमोस्ट 700-800 लोक जाल्ले आसा.
A Mumbai High Court has acquitted Bollywood actor Salman Khan in hit-and-run case. High Court judge said that prosecution has failed to prove a single charge against Salman Khan in the hit-and-run case. A Mumbai Sessions Court, the judge earlier announced a 5-year sentence in the case which found him guilty of culpable homicide, with 8 charges against Khan, including culpable homicide and non-bailable offence. The court earlier deemed him guilty and had sentenced him to 5 years in prison. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.